Do not touch! Do not touch! Do not touch!
Say it.
Listen,
PL is a terrorist
listen.
organization. Say it.
It's not terrorist.
तो फिर क्यों आए हो फिर यहाँ पर जब आपकी कंट्री नहीं है?
हमसे क्यों engage
मैं नहीं कर रही, वो आते हैं.
This is our protest, right? Yeah. So what?
You guys are doing. Why?
Stop!
Why?
Stop!
You cannot scream.
Yes, I can scream.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm from Balochistan.
Can you speak Lochi?
Yes, of course
Can
I
you
can.
speak then?
Yeah.
I'm here. She's making my video. She's making my video.
The protest.
Yeah, why you guys are doing this protest?
We are here in front of the British Prime Minister because in Balochistan, 5th of October, release any post about Baloch people. In Balochistan,
But
it's become...
There should be any other media.
No, in Balochistan, the
So
problem
how we know,
is...
like, well, we are
Balochistan-
here. We are here to ask
Balochistan
questions.
has become no-go zone for the journalists. You are here in UK, that's why.
Yeah.
Otherwise, in Pakistan...
But the lady won't allow us to cover the things.
No, in
Why
Pakistan...
she's trying to stop us?
Well,
I don't know why.
The Geo News person is here.
Yeah, so I'm also a journalist. It doesn't matter if that person is from the Geo. Is he allowed?
When the last time you saw any news about Balochistan in the
I'm going to
Pakistani
cover
TV?
you guys.
No,
That's why I'm
thank you.
here.
We appreciate.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking questions anyway.
No.
But let me just go further and ask.
so
But
let me-
these are the pictures.
These
What's
are the
this person's
picture.
name? Can you tell me the person's name?
Well, there are so many names, so we
But you should
cannot-
know the names as well.
all of them know the name. But
No,
we
but
are-
you should know the name because you are holding this poster.
Well, we know the children, but names. So at the moment,
So you don't know the kid's name.
we know the children.
You know the children, but you don't know their name.
5th of October in Zeri,
Okay.
when Pakistan used gunship and
I'm here to raise your voice, guys. I'm not here to
No,
do
no,
anything
no, we are
first.
not,
I'm
going
here
to
to raise your
argue with
voice.
you.
Yeah. So what is your point of
Of
view?
course, like firstly, like we are.
Who is this
we
kid?
I don't know his name, but yeah.
You
let me
don't know the
speak
name.
first,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
He's a Baloch though, yeah,
Oh, he's a
from
Baloch,
Zeri.
okay.
Like, firstly, we are like we don't have any good infrastructure. Like we don't have any universities there. And when we try to speak about our basic rights,
Okay.
then we are silent, or we are being killed, or we are being our houses.
When
are
you
being
visited
attacked.
last time, Balochistan?
Sorry,
When you visited last time?
I was in 2023 in
2023.
Balochistan.
So
December
you are
20.
alive?
I am alive.
Yeah. Yeah, for different newspapers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, we are gathered here, okay, from Balochistan. We are from Balochistan, from all different parts of Balochistan, from north, east and western Balochistan. And so the main really issue that we are here, because what is going on in Balochistan,
So where are you from?
I'm from Balochistan.
Balochistan, which area?
Well, I'm from Sarawak,
Sarawak.
yes.
So when did you last time visit Balochistan?
Many years ago.
Many years
Yes,
ago.
okay.
Do you have your family over there?
Yeah, yes, I have my families.
Are they alive?
Yeah, some of them they are alive, some of them okay.
So they are
okay,
good
but
then.
taken, okay?
They are good then. So what is your main motive?
The motive is we regard Balochistan an occupied territory. So we regard Balochistan.
But why your
as
family is still there then if it's occupied?
Yes, it is occupied. It doesn't mean that when it's occupied that all the people are going to be away.
Which passport do you hold? Like British?
Not, it is not your business to ask me which passport I
You
hold.
guys are here to raise
No,
your voice.
No,
It's
that's
just a
not-
simple question.
No, it's not a simple question.
Okay.
It's got, there is no simple
Don't
question.
need to get so aggressive, it's just a normal
Everything
question.
is got intention. When you ask me, okay, where I come from, okay, what I do.
Obviously,
So
you guys
the
are
point-
here to raise your voice.
No, because anything the journalists they ask, I know there is intention behind that. If they are journalists, proper journalists. So we are here because we know that our homeland is being occupied because of the resources that we have is taken from us.
Okay.
It's occupied nation, is Balochistan.
So
is
you
a
want free
colonized-
Balochistan actually?
Exactly.
Yeah?
So we want.
So why don't you
Balochistan.
guys go back there and fight?
No, we have people there, they're fighting there.
But your family is there, isn't it? You
No.
left your family.
No, I left. No, I haven't left my family. So you don't know why I'm here.
That's
So,
what I'm asking.
okay.
I'm simply
No.
trying to
No,
help
no.
you.
No, you don't need to help me, okay? So it's not your business
What I'm
to ask
doing,
me.
I'm just simply
No,
asking
No, it's not your
questions.
business to ask me, okay, to why I'm not there. So I will leave it for us to decide where we want to
Okay,
be.
yeah, that's definitely anyone
No.
have a right to go anywhere around the world.
No, okay, that's a different matter. But we are here because is because of the Balochistan. We regard Balochistan as being colonized, occupied by Punjabi army, and the other side is being occupied by the Shia mullahs. So we are here to raise our voice for democratic rights, and our democratic rights.
What do you think? Who can?
is free,
okay.
free and
The
democratic
ladies are here, but
Balochistan.
they're not ready to talk. Why?
What? Who's
The
that?
ladies are here, but they're not ready to talk. Why? अभी मैं 10 डाउन स्ट्रीट के बाहर मौजूद हूँ. यहाँ पर आए हुए चंद प्रोटेस्टर्स यहाँ पर खड़े हैं. मैंने इनसे जब सवालात करने शुरू किए तो इनमें से एक औरत है, शायद वो लीडर है इनकी, वो मेरी तो वीडियो बना रही थी. जब वो खुद कैमरे में आती थी तो उसने मेरा फ़ोन छीनने की कोशिश की. यहाँ पर खड़े लोग जो हैं उन्होंने बच्चों की पिक्चर्स उठाई हुई हैं, लोगों की पिक्चर्स उठाई हुई हैं, लेकिन इनको उन बच्चों के नाम नहीं पता है. उन आदमियों के जिनकी पिक्चर्स इन्होंने पकड़ी हुई हैं उनकी नाम नहीं इनको पता है, इनको पता नहीं है. बाज़ लोग कह रहे हैं कि वो बात करने के लिए रेडी नहीं है. जब भी कोई प्रोटेस्टर्स आके बात करना चाहते हैं और ख़वातीन आती है, यहाँ पर एक खातून लीडर है इनकी, वो आती है तो वो रोक देती है इनको कि बात ना करें. और ये लोग हैं यहाँ पर सारे के सारे, लेकिन हम जब बात करने की कोशिश करते हैं तो बात नहीं करते, एग्रेसिव हो जाते हैं, बातों के जवाब नहीं आते. और ये सारे के सारे लोग हैं. हमने कोशिश की इनसे सवालात पूछने की, लेकिन ये कोई बात का जवाब देने के लिए रेडी नहीं है. लेकिन ये खड़े हैं, इनको एरिया का नहीं पता है, इनको लोगों के नाम जो इन्होंने पकड़े हुए हैं उसका नहीं पता है. इनको पाकिस्तान के मुख्तलिफ मकामात का नाम तो ले रहे हैं इनको ये, लेकिन ये पता नहीं है कि वो कहाँ पर है. ये सिर्फ नारे लगा रहे हैं. दे डोंट नो नथिंग अबाउट बलोचिस्तान, बट दे आर होल्डिंग सम, दे आर हाइडिंग देयर फेस, they are showing their true color. But anyway, these are the people. They don't know anything. They don't know anything about anything. And they were trying to, that lady was trying to. ये वो खातून है, इन्होंने मेरा फ़ोन छीनने की कोशिश की. And look at them. They were abusing. ये बात करने की तमीज़ नहीं है. जहाँ से जिसके लिए जिस जगह के लिए प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं वहाँ की लोगों का नाम नहीं उसको पता. जो पिक्चर्स इन्होंने पकड़ी हुई हैं उन बच्चों के नाम नहीं मालूम इन लोगों को. जहरी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जहरी कहाँ पर है ये तक इनको मालूम नहीं है. लेकिन ये खड़े हैं, एक ही बात कर रहे हैं, बस पाकिस्तान की मुसल्लह अफवाज के ख़िलाफ़ जो है वो नारे लगा रहे हैं. उसके अलावा इनको कुछ भी नहीं पता है. तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये लोग यहाँ पर रेंट पर लाए गए हैं और रेंट पर लाकर यहाँ पर इनको खड़ा किया गया है, तभी ये लोग अपना मुंह छुपा रहे हैं. औरतें भी यहाँ पर खड़ी हैं, लेकिन सब ने अपने मुंह छुपाए हुए हैं. अगर वो अपने राइट प्रोटेस्ट के लिए बात कर रहे होते तो मुंह छुपाने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. उनको फुल नॉलेज होता है. तो बच्चों की तस्वीर पकड़ी हुई है, लेकिन बच्चों के नाम तक नहीं पता. जिन लोगों की चंद तस्वीर पकड़ी हुई हैं उन लोगों का भी नहीं पता है कि कौन है. यहाँ पर आए हुए लोगों ने, बहुत सारे एक उनकी फैमिलीज पाकिस्तान में है, कहते हैं कि जी एजुकेशन में नहीं मिलती है, और ख़ुद वो कह रहे हैं वो सारी एजुकेशन लेके पाकिस्तान से आए हुए हैं. तो ये हैं यहाँ पर खड़े हुए लोग जो सिर्फ एक स्टेज ड्रामा करने के लिए यहाँ पर इकट्ठे हुए हैं. एजेंडा उनका सिर्फ एक है कि पाकिस्तान के ख़िलाफ़ बोलना. खुद भी इनको इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है कि ये किस लिए यहाँ पर आए हैं और क्यों कह रहे हैं, और बस नारे इनको याद करवाए गए हैं. वो नारे बोले जा रहे हैं, लेकिन किसी चीज़ का इल्म नहीं है इनको. अपने आप को बलोची कह रहे हैं, लेकिन बलोचिस्तान से हैं, लेकिन ज़बान नहीं आती है बोलना. तो वो यहाँ से लग रहा है कि ये लोग रेंट पे लाए गए हैं.